was butter.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
That was butter. That was pure butter.
It's freaking awesome.
Yeah. Dude, W pilots, that was butter. Yeah, that was so butter.
Impressed?
Yeah.
Does it make up for the livery?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, it makes up for the livery.
I remember that plane.
And there's some kind of test plane there.
Like a training plane or something.
Yeah, probably.
Typical.